Today we will write H, P, K, R, S alphabets. We can say these are mix and match strokes. Earlier we have practiced a lot. So now we will start from H. H for hut, H for hand. Above third line, we'll put our pencil and draw a small slanting line, upward slanting line. Take a loop here, downward slanting line, upward slanting line at the middle of these two lines, and take a curve here to touching the second line. Again a small curve and leave between these two black lines. This is almost based on stroke L. Watch carefully. Small slanting line on third line, upward slanting line, a loop here to touching the red line above, downward slanting line, upward slanting line, and take a curve here to touching the second line, again a curve on third line. This is H. The next alphabet is P. P for peacock, P for pumpkin. Peacock, our wonderful national bird. I will write P. Above third line, we'll draw a small stroke, small slanting line, upward slanting line, a loop here, and a long slanting line to touching the last line, upward slanting line like H, and take a round here or another curve to complete P. Small slanting line, upward slanting line, a loop here, a long slanting line like a peacock tail, upward slanting line, a curve here, a curve on third line, and leave between these two black lines. This is P. Next coming alphabet is K. As usual, we will take a small stroke on third line, small slanting line, upward slanting line, make a loop like L, downward slanting line. Here take a curve here and touch the slanting line at the middle of these two black lines, and take a semicircle sort of curve. Leave here. This is K. K for king, K for kite. Small slanting line, upward slanting line, a loop here, downward slanting line, upward small slanting line between these two lines, and take a curve here touching the slanting line, and take another curve touching the third line and leave between these two black lines. This is K. Next is R. R for rat, R for rose. With the basic stroke, we'll start from third line, small slanting line, upward slanting line up to second line. Take a small round here and a curve, another deep curve, and leave here to make R. Small slanting line, upward slanting line, a small curve, deep curve, and leave between black lines. This is R. Next coming alphabet is S. S for snail, S for shoe. Above third line, we'll put our pencil and draw a small slanting line, upward slanting line, straightway touching the second line, downward standing line, and take a curve here, reverse curve, and leave between these two lines. This is S. Small slanting line, upward slanting line, small standing line, and take a curve, backward curve, and leave here This is S. Thank you for watching. I hope your child enjoyed writing these alphabets. We'll meet you next time with some more alphabets. Till then, bye bye.